right now tonight. Yeah. So tonight is actually the day 10 of 25 days success challenge. And tonight I'm going to be discussing digital marketing tools for total domination. Digital marketing tools for total domination in anything that you want to do, not just limited to what we're discussing today. So as I said earlier, the goals for this training is to give you the information about the online businesses and digital skills training for business. So from day 1 to day 9, we have been talking and discussing about different things about the merchants, how you can get registered with merchants, how you can withdraw money from merchants to the local accounts. Those are the things that we're discussing from the day 1, and I demonstrate all those issues. In case you miss day 1 to day 9 videos, okay, you can visit the group. You'll see the day 1 to day 9 videos. You can also check out www.youtube.com/. I'm going to be typing it right now in case you missed day 1 to 9, so that you can just go through it, because what we're going to be doing along the line with this 25 days challenge is try to implement what we have learned so far on how to make money with it. And as at that point, skill is required. So all the necessary skills that are being required for this, these are the things that I'm going to be talking about from now. Now that you have an exchange that you have an account like either Bitcoin wallet, or you also open an account with exchange. So I'm trying to type the group. Okay, already have the group link on the description of this live. Then I'm typing right now. I'm typing the YouTube channel link. In case you need the 1 to 9, you can actually get those videos which are uploaded on a daily basis on my YouTube channel, which is on www.youtube.com/Omotunde, right? So you can get it. So I just put that right now. Okay, you can get it right there. So as I said, tonight I'm going to be discussing about total domination. Okay, because I said earlier in day 1 that the skill is required for most of these online businesses. So before I move on, I want to appreciate the early people that joined me tonight. Okay, I have Mutiaro Paul, my friend. Thank you for joining. I have Liasi. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your word very well. I have my brother Olamide Olakunle. I have Icom, and let's proceed. Right. So basically, when you talk about total domination, okay, in digital marketing, the first thing you need to do is to try as much as possible to pick a niche, right? Pick a niche. Okay, I'm using the dark as my background right now. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche, and when you pick a niche, you need to also identify the products or the services. Again, you also need to strategize or get a strategic position. Okay, you can see some of these things. I put it on the description, so in case you want to go through it. Then you also need to learn how to get traffic, not just traffic, but also how to conversion optimization, which will also help you with your landing page and some other stuff. Then you also need to think about scaling being from the small to different level to there. So let me talk about the niches. Okay, there are basically 3 ways you can pick a niche if you are coming to an online businesses. So joining me right now, let me see who's already joining me. Okay, all right, so we're good to go. Right, so I said there's 3 different ways you can choose a niche. One is either you promote your products or services, which is actually going to be the ultimate, which is going to be the final thing at the end of the day. Ability to promote your own products or services. Okay, and the second option is the first one might not be so easy for someone that is just getting started, because you have to get an office, you have to get a secretary, you have to get some server set up and some other things. A physical product, right? A physical product is physical product, which this can be, you can market products from Amazon, eBay, you can also sell a shirt online and earn money from it, right? Which personally, right, I don't really love stuff like that personally, right? And it's not really attractive to me, stuff like that. I love stuff that are scalable, stuff that can change, stuff that I can automate. Let me see who I see have right here tonight. Okay, I have Joseph Ogaji, Joseph Ogaji. Thank you, my brother, for joining tonight. So I said we need to get a product. I love product that's scalable. The third one, which is going to be the option we are going for by the time we get to day 17, is selling other people products. Okay, selling other people. What does it mean to sell other people? Be an affiliate. Okay, this is my favorite. Okay, be an affiliate, selling other people products, and it's very, very, very good, especially for people that are just coming into online. I prefer it because when you promote other people's products first, you learn during that point, and when you learn, you know how to. When you eventually want to get started with the ultimate goal, which is to have your own product or services, you know how to do that. Okay, and be an affiliate marketing. How do you be an affiliate marketer, right? So, be an affiliate marketer. You can either join a network marketing company to build a team and make money, right? That's an option. You can also join an affiliate marketplace, just like ClickBank, ClickSure, Pay.com, and others. Then another thing is you can also join a CPA. Can be a CPA publisher. Okay, you can become a CPA network publisher. What's the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA? Cost per action. The difference between affiliate marketing and CPA is that with CPA you can even make money online when people just opt in, just by supplying an ordinary email without buying anything, right? Without selling anything, you can still make money with CPA. That's another one. Then so after you've already identified, and as I told you guys, we are going with the third option, the option 3, which we are going with an affiliate, and we have already products, which I'm going to be unveiling the blueprint of that product when we get to day 17, right? Okay, work is money. I'm a little bit tired, right? Okay, so but I just have to fulfill my promise by coming up tonight for you guys. I know some guys are already waiting for these videos. Okay, so let me see who I have here again. Oh, thank you, Joseph. Hello to you, Joseph. Hello, Joseph. Let me reply. Hey, hello, Joseph. Thank you for coming out tonight. So as I said, so the first thing, you pick a niche, right? After you pick a niche, then you identify the product. After you identify the product, which I've already talked about, if you want to go for affiliate, if you want to go for CPA, if you want to go for network marketing, you need to choose one. Then, and in choosing your product, you need to choose a product that has a huge demand in the marketplace, and your product must be competitive as well. Okay, your product must also have a good commission, right? Commission. We have picked a product. The product that I've already picked, which I'm going to use for our affiliate, has a commission of $20, right? $20. We are starting with that. Okay, and we also try to scale up from that point. Okay, and one thing which is very, very important, you need to believe and have confidence in whatever you want to promote. You need to believe and have confidence in whatever you want to follow, because selling is a transfer of feelings, right? Selling is a transfer of feelings. So the strategic position, okay, you need to strategically position your promotion. So we are going to be getting into that, because I guess tomorrow I'm not just only going to come like this. I'm going to do some practical video, upload it before coming out, so that you guys can also watch that video. Then the conversion, getting traffic. Okay, there's so many places you are going to which you can get traffic, and I'm going to be mentioning those traffic sources during the course of the training, right? So then conversion, which is very, very important. You need to optimize conversion. Okay, conversion optimization. That is how you make your landing page to convert leads for sales. How you make your landing page to convert leads for sales. Then finally, we need to scale big. Okay, the blueprint for this 25 days of this challenge, the blueprint is to start from $1,500. Okay, that's the blueprint. To start with $1,500, then we scale to 2,500, 4,000, 6,000, and 12,000. Right? And as I said earlier, I made mention yesterday, there's no free money online. You guys need to be ready, not just only ready to do this. You should also make sure that you grab all the knowledge that I will be dishing out within now, but the knowledge is required. Okay, so that's what I have for you guys tonight. So just a quick recap, right? You need to pick a niche, which I just told you we have picked the niches. You need to pick a product. You need to strategically position yourself in the marketplace. You need to get traffic. Okay, traffic is very, very important. It's essentially the bloodstream of market. Then you need to also know how to convert traffic. Okay, convert traffic to sales. then you need to get ready to scale big. That is changes, then automate whatever you are going to do. Just if you don't get anything from what I've been saying today, just remember that I said selling is a transfer of feelings, right? Selling is a transfer of feelings. I said it before, okay? This is it. Passion is sales.